Okay guys, today I'll be teaching you how to download Assassin's Creed Odyssey for PC. Okay, this is the game. Okay, to download the game, first open your browser and go to www.gameavenues.com. Well, this is the site, and go on to download PC games, and there are a couple of various games over there, and I'm going to click on this. So they have given games description here, and here are the requirements. You can see if your PC supports the game or not. So click on the download button. So I already have the game downloaded, so I'm going to show you how to install the game. Well, after the game is downloaded, well, this is the setup file that we are going to download. So I'm going to show you how to download the game. Go to OK, choose wherever you want to install the game next, and create desktop. So I already had the game installed, so I'm going to show you that it runs. My desktop, Assassin's Creed Odyssey. I don't know what So guys, I'll soon be posting the gameplay of this game, so stay tuned and like and subscribe. Thank you.